What are the input-output characteristics of a limiting circuit? So this is a two-level limiter circuit or two-way clipper circuit. There are two reference voltages VR1 and VR2 or VB1 and VB2, which are given in series with the two diodes D1 and D2 facing in opposite direction. One is downward facing diode, other is upward facing diode. If we know the operation of the circuit, then only we can draw the transfer characteristic curve and also the output waveform. In this circuit, whenever input voltage is greater than the VB1 voltage for ideal diode, or whenever Vin is greater than VB1 plus 1 diode drop for non-ideal diode, then this diode will be on. This diode acts as a short circuit and hence output is saturated or clipped or pinned at 1 diode drop plus VB1. So whenever Vin is positive and also greater than VB1 plus 1 diode drop, output will be clipped at VB1 plus 1 diode drop, as you can see here, this one, or in the input waveform you can see this. This is nothing but, this level is nothing but VB1 plus 1 diode drop. Likewise, during the negative half cycle of the input, whenever Vin is less than minus VB2, in other words, Vin is less than minus VB2 along with this diode drop, it is like minus 1 diode drop minus VB2 or minus V gamma minus VB2. Whenever Vin is less than that value, then this diode will be on. This diode will, D1 is off, D2 is on. It acts as short circuit or with a voltage source of value 1 diode drop. Output will be equal to minus 1 diode drop minus VB2, which is nothing but this level or this level. As you can see here, minus VD on minus VB2 and is here. So whenever input is in between VB1 and VB2 for ideal diodes, or whenever input is in between VB1 plus 1 diode drop and minus VD on minus VB2, at that time both the diodes are off. Both act as open circuit. Output follows input. As these two branches act as open circuit effectively, current through resistor R1 is 0, no drop is there across this resistor R1, output is nothing but input. Output follows input. Vout is equal to Vin. So as you can see here, that is the region here wherein Vout equal to Vin, that is slope is 1. Whatever input is present in this region, it is transmitted to the output. Whatever is present in the clipped region or saturated region, for example this wave, that is clipped or removed. So whenever input is in between VB1 and VB2, both the diodes are off, output follows input. So here output is following input, likewise here and here.